Run his license for me. All right, I'm going to get Mr. Vincent Silva Rio on my phone, please. Vincente. Ask Mr. Vincente, does he have any insurance? Proof of insurance, please. Mr. Vincente, does he have?
He said yes.
Get a copy of that for me, please.
I thank you.
Good morning on the telephone at 586-371-1992. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning, Clarence Gordon.
Clarence Gordon. Good morning to you, Mr. Gordon.
How you doing?
I'm well. Man.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, sorry about that. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Great judge. All rise. Good morning, all. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please mute your devices and take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Buenos días, bienvenidos a la corte del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras esta corte está en sesión, por favor asegúrese de que su audio está funcionando y está en silencio hasta que su caso sea llamado. Debe estar debidamente sentado derecho y quieto en un solo lugar, apropiadamente vestido para comparecer a esta corte. Nada de camisetas sin mangas, nada de coberturas en la cabeza, ni cachuchas, ni gorras, ni nada, excepto que sea por razones religiosas. En esta corte no se le permite estar hablando, comiendo o bebiendo. Por favor, aténgase a todas las instrucciones dadas. Bienvenidos. La corte entre sesión.
All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Buenos días a todos. Voy a tratar de manejar esto de la forma más eficiente y más rápida posible y los voy a estar llamando en el orden en la cual se registraron.
If Mr. Vicente's car insurance judge.
I didn't.
Por favor, mantengan sus micrófonos en silencio.
Where's Francisco Diego?
I didn't pull it. Oh. Oh, I see it.
All right,
I see it, Judge.
this is the city of Detroit versus Augustin Jaime Rodriguez Gutierrez. Case number SP 188988722. State your name for the record, please. Good morning to you.
Buenos días. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Rodríguez Gutiérrez Augusto, número de caso SP 188-98722. Por favor, señor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Agustín Rodríguez.
Good morning. My name is Agustín Rodríguez.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. For that, we're going to close your matter out.
Buenos días a usted, señor. Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la revisión de su caso. A ustedes le habían ordenado hacer 6 horas de servicio comunitario en vez de pagar costos y multas. Veo aquí que usted las ha cumplido, por lo tanto, su caso queda desestimado. Eso es todo por hoy.
Muchas gracias, que tengan un buen día.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Another person, man, I told him to tell the attorney. All right, this is the CR. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Señor, si no tiene más nada que agregar, que tenga excelente día. La mejor de las suertes para usted. Ya se puede desconectar.
Okay, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Francisco Diego, case number SP 188-23701, SP 188-35341. Mr. Diego, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Francisco Diego. Números de caso SP 1882, 3701 y SP 18835-341. Buenos días a usted, señor Diego. Por favor, díganos su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Mi nombre es Francisco Juan Diego.
My name is Francisco Juan Diego.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Juan Diego. You are allowed to do in lieu of fines and costs 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matters out, okay?
Muy bien, señor. Veo aquí que nosotros le habíamos permitido a usted a que hiciera, en vez de tener que pagar costos y multas, 6 horas, no, 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Veo aquí que usted las ha cumplido. Le queremos dar las gracias y con eso cerramos a su caso.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you so very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day and best of luck to you, sir.
De nada, que tenga usted muy buen día y le deseamos muchísima suerte, señor.
Muchas gracias y le deseo lo mismo.
Thank you, and I wish you the very same.
Thank you.
Gracias.
This is the City of Detroit versus Ario Santana Nunez, case number SP 188-79712. Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning.
Este es el caso. You
Good
need interpreter?
No.
Okay.
Good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jairo Santana Nunez.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a review. You were, in lieu of fines and costs, allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that, sir. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Have a great day and best of luck to you.
Appreciate it. So I'm all done with those tickets, don't have nothing to worry about no more?
Yeah, you're done with those tickets. Those matters are closed out.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You as well. This is the City of Detroit versus Michael David Yaks, case number S787763. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, here, Your Honor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, sir.
State your full name, Mr. Yak.
Oh, sorry about that. Michael David Yaks.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Yaks, can you show me that insurance that you have?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you slide it over to your right, please?
Am I right?
To your right. All right, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Likewise.
Thank you. Did you call Vincente in here? This had 2 files. One was empty. This is the City of Detroit versus D'Angelo Charles Lane. Case numbers ASP 1864412, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Lane.
D'Angelo Lane.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time, and it is set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lane, did you bring any money to court today, sir?
No, I didn't even get to speak to my attorney. I didn't get to do anything.
I didn't ask you that, sir. I asked you a question, okay?
No.
Did you not, you didn't bring any money today with you?
No, not today.
Okay. Mr. Berry, Mr. Lane owes no insurance proof $361. I do see that his driving privileges are probably won't be reinstated at least until June the 7th. And he may have other issues. I'll also allow him to be heard on this failure to stop at a stop sign allegation. Mr. Lane, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Berry, he's in the room. We'll pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Silverio Vincente, case number SP 189-03251. Mr. Vincente will need an interpreter. Good morning to you, sir.
Buenos días, se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Vincente. Where is he at, Your Honor?
Last on 830, the last name under 830.
Vicente Silverio.
Sí.
Ok, gracias. Buenos días. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Vicente Silverio, número de caso SP 189-03251. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Morning, Your Honor. Cherica Harris, P72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
Buenos días, su señoría. Mi nombre es Cherica Harris, número de registro de abogados 72832, representando al señor Silverio. Vicente, señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Silverio Vicente.
Silverio Vicente.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Oh, señor, buenos días. Hoy es el día y la hora establecido para la lectura de sus cargos. ¿Cómo desea proceder, señora abogada?
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. And at this time, I'm going to dismiss your client's case and provided valid documentation.
En ese caso, yo voy a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Y en su caso, vamos a desestimar todos los cargos porque él ha presentado la documentación debida.
If there's nothing further, Mr. Vincente, you have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. If you need paperwork, you can just wait and Miss Mathis will get you those documents, okay? Case dismissed.
Señor Vicente, entonces con eso queda todo listo por el día de hoy. Le deseo la mejor de la suerte. Si necesita algún papel al respecto, la señora Mathis se lo dará.
Gracias.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Christian Leonard, case number SP 1399987, counts 1, SP 1466991. Appearance for the record, please.
Christian Leonard.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Leonard, and for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter, good morning to you, sir.
Good
We'll
morning.
enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. Good morning to you, ma'am. How can I help you? And what message was that? My assistant?
Or I think the security said he was able to get the messages.
What is your name?
My name is Asia.
And what, I don't believe I got the message. What was the message about?
I was searching you on the internet, and I see that you a nice person and stuff like that. I'm from Detroit, Michigan, so I like hanging out downtown and stuff like that. So sometimes, people have meetings, I just wanted to meet you and stuff.
Very good. I'm glad you came in
Yeah.
to meet us. I'm glad you came in to see, and I'm glad you enjoy what we do here.
Thank you, yeah.
All right. So that's pretty cool.
Thank you.
I don't get too many people coming down to meet me.
Right, yeah, because I thought you could just come in here like when you don't have a court case. You do.
Well, you can, yeah, absolutely. The court is always open to the public. You're welcome to sit and stay until we get done.
Oh, right.
All right.
Welcome to observe, man.
Okay.
I'm letting, please let everyone know that we're just waiting on an attorney, and we're waiting on an attorney. Can we call the city attorney and get the city attorney in here? And you can give that to Mr. Vincente.
Por favor, déjenle saber a todos que estamos esperando por el abogado. Eso es lo que estamos esperando. Y por favor, ¿podrían ustedes llamar, refiriéndose a la secretaria, a la fiscal, por favor?
Señorita, buenos días.
Good morning, miss.
Yo tenía cita a las 8:30 y no me han llamado.
I had an appointment early and I have not been called. Señor, usted ha sido chequeado.
We're just taking them in the order that the people came in, okay?
Nosotros estamos llamando a los casos en el orden que se chequearon.
Oh, quería
Pero usted
estar
está
seguro.
chequeado. Okay, I wanted to be sure.
Very well.
Muy bien.
Excuse me, Mr. DeMarco Lewis, please sit up, sir. Thank you.
Silverado doesn't take paper. Ready.
She was doing something that she shouldn't have been doing. He was gone for a year. Right, I was just come back.
Run that license for me, please, Ms. Williams.
Like some water, man.
No, later. Keep going to the restroom.
Your Honor, may I ask if Mr. Gabriel Martinez in the screen is Juan Gabriel Martínez Hafanader Ortega?
Sí, aquí.
You may.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yeah, he already answered that. Yes, he was there and he is a review.
Buenos días.
Buenas.
Okay, we have a license check for Christian Leonard.
This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Martinez Ortega, case number SP 188-11991. Appearance for state your name for the record, please. Good morning to you, sir.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Juan Martínez Ortega, número de caso SP 188-11-99-1. Diga su nombre, señor, para que conste en el acta.
Hola, buenos días. Mi nombre es Juan Gabriel Martínez Ortega.
Hello and good morning. My name is Juan Gabriel Martínez Ortega.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were allowed to do in lieu of fines and costs 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we will close your matter out.
Y buenos días a usted, señor. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una revisión de su caso. Veo aquí que en vez de tener que pagar costos y multas, yo le permití a usted que hiciera 6 horas de servicio comunitario. Veo también que usted las cumplió. Reconociendo eso, le queremos dar las gracias a usted y su asunto queda cerrado.
Ok, muchísimas gracias. Buen día.
Okay, thank you so very much.
All right, have a great day, sir, and best of luck to you.
Que tenga muy buen día, señor, y buena suerte a usted.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Mr. Palacio Morales, buenos días.
Señor Palacios Morales, buenos días.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Do you have valid insurance?
Señor, ¿usted tiene seguro de automóvil vigente? Bueno.
Sí.
This
Yes.
is the city of Detroit versus Roman Palacios Morales, case number SP 189-34691. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, where is he at?
It's on the last page, 845, down toward the bottom half of the page.
Oh, I see him. Thank you, Your Honor. Buenos días. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Román Palacios Morales. Número de caso SP 189-34691. Por favor, digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta.
Román Palacios Morales.
Román Palacios Morales.
Good morning to you, sir. For purposes of arraignment.
Buenos días, señor. Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Cherika Harris, representando al acusado, y para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
All right, Mr. We'll give you enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Morales, can you hold up that document for insurance so I can see it, please?
Señor, entonces yo voy a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Señor, por favor, ¿sería tan amable de poner en pantalla su seguro para que yo lo pueda ver?
All right, at this time, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. Further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Entonces, esta vez yo voy a desestimar su causa porque usted ha presentado los documentos necesarios. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, que le deseo la mejor de las suertes y ya se puede desconectar.
Muchas gracias. Que tengan excelente día.
Thank you very, very much. Have an excellent day.
Very well. Thank you so much. You as well.
Igualmente, señor. Muchas gracias. Igualmente para usted.
Gracias.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Antonelli Singundo Laya or Talino, case number state of Michigan versus Antonelli Segundo Laya or Talino, case number SX 466-70611. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Antoniel Laya Hortelano, número de caso SX 466-70611. Díganos su nombre, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Otoniel Laya.
Good morning. My name is Otoniel Laya.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. I'm going to this time dismiss your case. You have a valid driver's license. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Gracias.
Muy buenos días a usted, señor. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio. Veo aquí que usted tiene ya su licencia vigente de conducir. Reconociendo eso, vamos a desestimar a su caso. Si no tiene algo que añadir, le deseamos a usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Ok, muchas gracias. Igualmente, buenos días.
Okay, thank you very much. And same to you, and have a pleasant day.
Well, thank you.
Usted también, gracias.
Mr. Barton, are you here? Ms. Harris, which driver's license did you want to have run? Did you run a driver's license?
I heard her, but I needed the name.
Ms. Harris? On the telephone at 734-560-70. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning, sir. David Lee.
David Lee?
Yes, sir.
David Bernard Lee?
Yes, David Bernard Lee.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Mr. Lee, do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, I have, yes, I do.
Is there a way that you can zoom in, sir?
Let
So
me
we
see
can.
how, let me see. Hello?
Hello.
I'm trying to see if I can zoom in. I have an iPhone. What does I need to do?
You need to go to Zoom and then put in the Zoom ID of 360-535-0000.
Okay, I did do that. I don't know why I didn't. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I've been trying to get this done for so long.
All right, I'm going to mute you, sir, and you can get your stuff together. If not, you can either come in or you'll have to come back another day or find somebody to help you Zoom in. Mr. LaFleur, is that Gerald LaFleur?
Yes, sir.
Pardon me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning.
All right. Morning to you.
Okay. We gave you the class. Tony gave us-
Ms. Harris,
Yes, Your Honor.
what name did you want to have the driver's license run?
Christian Leonard.
Christian Leonard. Here you go.
Was
Ms.
it a better driver's course?
Thank you.
A better driver with the Z. With the Z.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jesus Tapia Gomez, case number SP 187-52953. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Where is he
Jesus
at, Your Honor?
Tiberio.
Do you need an
Necesita
interpreter, sir?
I will prefer keep a interpreter.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Jesús Tapia Gámez, número de caso SP 187-52953. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para el acta.
Jesús Tiberio.
Jesús Tiberio.
César Tapia Gama.
Tapia
Good morning
Gámez.
to you. The final of
Good morning.
Jesus Gomez.
Buenos días,
Today-
señor.
Today is the date and time is set for, pardon me, Ms. Hernandez?
Today is the day and hoy es el día y la hora establecido por
Today is the date and time set for a review, sir, and you were, in lieu of fines and costs, allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that, sir, and for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Está bien, señor. Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la revisión de su caso. Veo aquí que se le había pedido que hiciera 6 horas de servicio comunitario en lugar de costos y multas y veo que usted las ha cumplido. Por ello, con eso queda su caso cerrado. Que tenga muy buena suerte, señor. Eso es todo por el día de hoy.
Muchas gracias, muy amable.
Thank you very much. Very kind of you.
All right, have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor. Que tenga excelente día. La mejor de las suertes para usted.
Muchas gracias, muy amables. Tengo una duda, ya no necesito mostrar ningún documento. ¿Estamos claros en todo?
That's good. Thank you very much for everything. I have a question. So we are clearing everything. I don't have to show any document. Nothing. I just done.
No, you don't, sir. Best of luck to you.
Sí,
Thank you
señor.
so
No tiene
much.
que mostrar nada. Está listo. La mejor de las suertes para usted. Thank you, Your Honor.
Señorita,
Miss.
buenos días. Mi nombre es Jordi García. Yo tenía cita a las 8:30 y no se me ha llamado.
My name is Yordis Garcia. I had to be here at 8:30, but my name hasn't been called.
Good morning to you, sir.
Buenos días, usted, señor.
Yeah, you have to wait, sir. I'm taking them in the order that you came in, okay?
Señor,
Okay,
usted necesita esperar. Estamos llamando a los casos en el orden que se presentaron esta mañana.
Oh, quería estar seguro. Gracias.
Okay, I just wanted to be sure. Thank you.
Very well.
Está bien.
Miss Harris, the license is valid.
Thank you.
Can we get Miss Horn in here, please?
Yes.
I understand why, what's going on with that. So tomorrow, I gotta go to that graduation. So what I'll do, probably what I'll do is, I'm gonna find out the time. I should have taken the day off, but I didn't think about it.
I don't mean nothing.
Tomorrow's done.
That's not to say.
Okay, we're just waiting on an attorney.
Está bien, estamos esperando por el abogado.
Amir Ahmed.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Amr Ahmad.
Good morning to you. What about Amir Ahmed? Is that you?
Yes, that's me, Your Honor.
Okay. Good morning to you, sir. Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Morning.
Mr. Ahmed, do you have valid insurance, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Amir Ahmed, case number SP 189-63931. Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Amr Ahmad.
Amir Ahmed. All right, forgive me for the pronunciation. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, Mr. Ahmed, and give you a $0 bond. Let's see what you have as far as insurance, sir. You're going to have to turn your background off without, okay, very good. All right, at this time, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, sir, and best of luck to you, okay?
You as well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was Miss Horn. She said she's gonna come up.
Ms. Horn is on the line. She's
she's on?
She's zoomed in.
Oh, okay, she's coming down from a printer. I didn't,
Oh,
okay, I was typing, I didn't know she's on. That's good.
I don't see why you just can't send it to her. Or unless you're sending her SOS. Oh, okay. They probably don't want that sent through the email or something. You've done that before?
Probably so. I've done it one or two times. Not a habit, but
Oh, if it's not something that they want, that's not.
But I think it's like internal people. That might do,
Yeah.
so not. Because they're supposed to go into the recycle bin.
R.O. Santana, you are free to leave, sir.
Señor Santana, Jairo Santana, ya usted se puede desconectar, señor.
I just put him out.
Okay.
So how do you like it?
I like it. I'm having fun. I live in Easter. So.
Inkster?
Yeah, Easter, Michigan. I'm really Easter, Michigan. I was living in Illinois for 8 years. January 2nd. So I'm in Section 8 house.
You say what?
I'm in Section 8 house.
All right.
I've been about a year. To complete that. I was going to the second or two later.
All right.
To find out about that, like if I was to move or something. Well, I have to wait, so I gotta wait to find housing for 3 months, or can it just be like the system or something like that?
Because you're trying to move back to Detroit?
Yeah, I wanted to move back to Detroit. I didn't want to move back to the suburbs. I want to move to Detroit.
I got you. That's cool.
Good morning, Ms. Lawrence.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning to you.
Unfortunately, this person, he doesn't have a driver's license, so it takes me a little longer.
I just want to keep CDL, so if he doesn't have a license, he probably, I know we don't
And
have a
this is
CDL.
for Rodriguez, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
you probably were, international license or not licensed here, because I had 3 like 437 just now
Okay,
too.
let me just make sure. What was the first name?
Let's see.
Are we ready on
Yes.
DeMarco Lewis?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Yes, we are.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus DeMarco Lewis, case number SP 106-9151, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 107-6123, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 129-42741, SP 147-09321, SP 159-7689, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1866868, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1877821, SP 1877840, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this honorable court, Darnell Barton, P 83363 on behalf of Mr. DeMarco Lewis. Sir, can you state your name for the record only? Please unmute and state your name only for the record.
DeMarco Lewis.
Sir.
Good
Your
morning
Honor,
to you, sir.
My apologies for interrupting.
Go ahead. Go for purposes of arraignment.
My apologies for interrupting, Your Honor. As it pertains to the arraignment, my client will stand mute and waive any formal reading of the charges and ask you to enter a not guilty plea.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond, and we will set a trial date for June 22nd, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lewis and Mr. Burton, Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you both.
Your Honor, is it possible, I have an exam that morning. Is it possible anytime that week? Well,
June
actually,
23rd.
yes, that would work, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right, the 23rd, Mr. DeMarco Lewis. Best of luck to you both. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you and your staff, Your Honor.
Thank you. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leonard. Mr. Leonard, I've given you an opportunity to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to dismiss your case, sir, for providing valid documentation, but please be aware that you still owe the court a lot of money here, okay?
Yeah, I'm aware. When I came down there to schedule the appointments for this, they gave me a list of stuff, and I paid a couple of things when I was down there. I just
Very well.
didn't have that much money on me.
Very well. Congratulations on the license, Mr. Leonard. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees in this, and I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you. You have a better day.
Thank you so much. This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Ricardo Contreras, case number SP 189-8409, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 189-84801. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra José Ricardo Contreras. Números de caso SP 189840801, SP 1898409, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Soy Cherica Harris representando al acusado. Usted, por favor, díganos su nombre, señor.
José Ricardo Contreras.
Jose Ricardo Contreras.
Good morning to you, sir. Go ahead.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty. Good morning to you, sir. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. We'll give you a $0 bond. Mr. Contreras, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, usted, señor Contreras. Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted y le vamos a dar una fianza de $0. Ahora lo vamos a pasar virtualmente a una sala privada de consulta para que usted tenga la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada defensora. Ella le va a dejar saber cuál es la oferta de resolución. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta esa oferta de resolución, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte la invitación cuando vea la palabra join o unirse.
Let's pass that matter. And this is the city of Detroit. This is yesterday, Ms.
For what person?
For Greer. This is the city of Detroit versus Jermad Greer, case number SP 13024242. Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please. Mr. Greer.
Greer.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time. We'll call set for a review. You were ordered to pay $240. I see that you paid that, and at this time.
Oh, you printed another one?
Yeah, I did. At this time, we're going to dismiss that case, okay? You're supposed to be here tomorrow. That was tomorrow, 21st. So he just came a day early. So you don't have to show up tomorrow. So I'm dismissing the case. And you still, too, owe a lot of other monies down here, okay? Mr. Greer, are you there?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm dismissing this case. You still owe the other monies down here, all right? I marked the file allow payment plan. You could have gotten to a payment plan. I can't hear you.
Come down there to do that, right?
You say what?
Got to come down there to do that, right?
You do. Well, I dismissed that matter, so I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Greer. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you.
Your Honor, may I ask if Mr. Minor Sanchez is Minor Abdias Torres?
You may.
Thank you. Señor Minor Sánchez, señor, ¿usted es Minor Abdias Torres? Abra su micrófono, por favor. Open your mic, please.
Okay. Hola, buenos
¿Cuál es
días.
su nombre, ¿cuál es su nombre completo? What's your full name, please?
Minor Abdias Sánchez Torres.
Minor Abdias
Sánchez Torres.
Sánchez Torres. Okay, thank you. Ya puede, gracias. Puede poner su micrófono en silencio. Your Honor, yes, he's Minor Abdias Sánchez Torres, and he appears like Torres.
Very good. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lane. Mr. Lane, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the failure to stop for a stop sign and the other matter to be dismissed. His number is in the chat.
Have him come in here, please.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Lane, turn the phone off. All right, good morning to you again. You want to take this deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now you indicated to me when I asked you a question that you didn't do anything. That's the first thing you said, correct?
Yes.
And that wasn't, you didn't respond to the question that I asked you, correct?
Yes.
All right, and I was asking you that question because I wanted to see you potentially set yourself up to get a valid driver's license.
Okay. At first, this whole thing was warrants. I didn't know about having to pay anything, so I came down here to pay the warrants off to get waived actually. And they said
That, but when I ask you a question, all right, just answer the question that I asked. Because I'm trying to set yourself up to get you a valid license, but I don't think with your driving record, you may not be able to get a license for quite some time. Have you ever had a license before?
yes.
And Mr. Berry, your client wants to do community service to clear this stuff up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that true, Mr. Lane?
Yes.
How old are you?
I just turned 24.
Good morning, Mom. Step up. Can you state your name, please? Miss Brown, good morning to you. How is your son? Uh-huh.
A good kid. Just messed up on his license when he first got him. So trying to work on getting him back.
And he continues to mess up on it. Right, Mr. Lane, I'll let you answer that. You understand that driving is not a right, it's a privilege, sir? All right. And in this environment that we live in, city of Detroit, Metro Detroit area, you almost can't do anything without a license. I do want to see him get a valid driver's license, Mr. Berry. When was the last time you've been to the Secretary of State?
Last year.
How long will it take you to pay this $361 off?
Last 30 days.
Well, it's not up to me to give you the time on that. This is a civil infraction, so there's nothing I can do. What I can do. Do you have $45 on you today?
Yes.
What I can do is I can allow you to pay this reinstatement fee up front on this. Go down there, pay the $45. And are you gonna have an issue with getting to Southwest Detroit?
I'm sorry?
To do the 6 hours of community service? Are you gonna have an issue getting to Southwest Detroit?
No, you're right.
How are you gonna take them? All right, you're not gonna let them drive, right?
No, that's why I'm here today.
Very good. All right. I stipulate on the behalf of your client to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea. Mr. Berry?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
I want your son to take a better driver's course. I'll put that in the on a slip. It's probably gonna cost you about $45. It's gonna take a couple hours of your time. And what I do want when you come back for the review, because I want you to come back. You don't have to come back in person. You can Zoom in online. But I want to make it a homework assignment for you, all right? I want you to do this course. You graduated from high school, didn't you? All right. I want you to do this course, and I want you to highlight 3 to 5 things out of this course that you learned that you didn't know. All right. So I want you to take the course seriously. I've never taken the course, but I've had many people come in here, and I've basically through them I've taken the course, so I know what it's going to read, and I know some of the more crucial things that are in there. But I want you to tell me. Part of that is to show you that learn more about yourself and your tendencies when you get behind the wheel of a car, when you're legally able to do so, right, next time. And hopefully that's soon. But the other part is to show you that it's not a toy. It's not something to play with. You know what I'm saying? And on top of you not being able to drive and get around, and you haven't had your mom bring you down. You're 24 years old now. You got your mom messing up her day. I think you're going to get some out of it if you take it seriously. And I hope that then the other part of the course is it's probably going to be the same course you're going to take, or the same lesson you're going to take at the Secretary of State. So you'll probably be a little bit ahead of the game, because all the courses pretty much have the same content in them. So when you go there and you might have to take a retest or something like that, you'll be more prepared. All right. All right. So it's going to be 6 hours of community service with Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center in lieu of fines and costs. And it's going to be a better driver's course. I'm going to give you 30 days to complete it, sir. I'll have you back on June the 24th. June the 24th. Go ahead.
We'll be in Puerto Rico for my wedding. We don't get back until the 25th.
All right. All right. So, well, you're going to do the 17th of June, because before you go he's going to Puerto Rico too?
You gotta walk me down the aisle.
He what?
You gotta walk me down.
Did he pay for his ticket?
I got my own crib, my own car.
No, you got your car, but you can't drive that. Yeah, that car sitting out there, you can't even drive.
I got my stuff together. It's just my license.
All right. Now, don't let me get your car driving.
Okay.
All right. All right. All right. Good. All right, then. You'll do these hours before you go you can get 4 or 6 hours done and before you go to Puerto Rico, right?
Yeah.
I've never been to Puerto Rico. You can tell, well, you won't go before you won't have gone before you come back to court. So I don't know. I won't hear the good story. Congratulations to you as well too. But talk to Mr. Phillips. You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Let me write the class down for you and get the class done, get the hours done. We'll close the matter out. And, hopefully you pay the $45 and then you're going to still owe the rest of the 361 after the 45, because it's too old for me to do anything for that. But at least the 45, when you get ready to go to the Secretary of State, you won't have this as an impediment. And I don't know what else you'll need, but you won't have this as an impediment. What I would suggest you to do, I would suggest that after you pay the $45, you leave here, you go to the Secretary of State, try to get a license. If they don't give you a license, you can ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license, all right? And then that way you'll have a guidepost on what you need to do to move forward, all right?
Appreciate it.
All right. Where's that's for Mr. Lane. And then that number that you called in on, is that the best number to reach you? The number that you're on your vice versa?
Yes.
The number is on his vice versa.
This is the driver course?
That's the driver course. All right. Mr. Lane, I do wish you the best of luck. Let me see. You can't read my writing.
I'll rewrite it for him.
All right. He used to have good penmanship, but I do wish you the best of luck. Congratulations, Mom. I do appreciate you coming down here and supporting your son. That means a lot to the court. And we want you to get a valid license, sir. All right. But in the future, I'm going to just tell you something. Don't give more information than what's asked, okay? And when you're dealing with the criminal justice system, you don't have to say anything. That is your absolute right. And they want to talk about make America great again. America has been great, and that right there, the right to remain silent, is one of the greatest rights you have. So use it. All right, but when the court asks you a question, just answer the question. All right? All right. Because I definitely don't believe you didn't do anything. I don't believe it. All right? All right, sir. I wish you the best of luck. Enjoy your trip and everything like that. Be safe, and we'll see you soon.
I'll bring it to you in one moment.
Okay. Appreciate it. All right, Mr. Berry, it's you're up. Let's call the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry, versus Carlos Green, case number S1110908, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1275103, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 154 appearance for the record, please. Good morning to you, Mr. Green.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Carlos Green.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
So what is it? TTER. Oh, better. DRIVERZ.com. Yes. Better driver. Can you get him a printout of that insurance that I want him to pay the $45?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
All right, I'm gonna enter, Mr. Green, good morning to you. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm gonna give you a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And Mr. Berry, if Mr. Green does not already have a valid driver's license, I don't see anything here that would affect his ability to get a license. Mr. Green, when you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Pass the map. You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Contreras. Mr. Contreras, you indicated to Ms. Harris you do not want to do community service. Is that correct?
Volvemos en el acta con el caso del señor Contreras. Señor Contreras, usted le indicó a su abogada, señora Harris, que usted no quería continuar con esta corte, ¿cierto?
No quería hacer trabajo comunitario, quería
But
pagar primero.
I did not want to do community service. I just want to pay.
All right, Mr. Contreras, I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge, who is Judge Kennedy.
Así que, señor Contreras, lo vamos a mandar a usted ante el juez que ahora le va a tocar. El juez es la juez Kennedy.
Her Zoom ID is 360-435-0000.
El número de Zoom de ella para que usted pueda entrar a la sesión es 360. Espérate.
No.
Ahorita.
Pero va a ser ahorita o va a ser después.
And is it going to happen today, right now, or sometime later?
It's going to be June the 10th.
Va a ser el 10 de junio.
Pero me van a mandar, me imagino, algún correo, ¿no?
But I imagine I'll get something in the mail. Isn't that so?
I hope so. But if you don't, I'm giving you...
Pero si no, le estamos dando la información ahora mismo para que la apunte.
Tengo lápiz, la verdad.
¿Listo? Ready?
No tengo lápiz, estoy buscando un lápiz, pero...
I'm looking for a pencil. I don't have one at hand.
Listo, estoy listo.
I'm ready.
All right, Judge Kennedy in courtroom 435. Her Zoom ID is 360-435-0000.
Así que va a ser ante la juez Kennedy. Kennedy. Ella está en la sala 435. Si vienen en persona, por Zoom es 360. 435.
Ajá.
0000. Repito, 360-435-0000.
Sí. Es 03604350000.
Is it 036043500000?
360-435-0000.
Señor, 360-435-0000.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, that will be,
Fecha, ¿cuál era?
next date is gonna be June 10th at 8:30. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Y la fecha para que usted va a volver a comparecer va a ser el 10 de junio del 2026 a las 8:30 de la mañana. Si no tiene algo adicional, le queremos desear buena suerte y buen día.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
All right, have a great day.
Que tenga un día fabuloso.
Gracias igual.
Thank you, same to you.
All right, this is gonna be the city of Detroit versus Eligio Danielle Ortiz Ribeiro. Case number SP 1895782, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Eligio Daniel Ortiz Roblero. Número de caso SP 189-578-21, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Mi nombre es Eligio Daniel Ortiz Roblero.
My name is Eligio Daniel Ortiz Roblero.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Ortiz Roblero.
Mi nombre es Chelica Harris, representando al señor Ortiz Roblero.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Y para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter, and good morning to you, Mr. Roberto. Day is date and time set for arraignment. We'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond.
Buenos días, señor Roblero. Este es el día para su lectura de cargos y voy a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y establecer una fianza de $0.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Te voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con la señora Harris, su abogada, quien va a intentar conseguirle una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Tenga en mente que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta ofrecida, siempre tiene el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada, acepte la invitación en su pantalla donde dice Join, unirse. Thank you, Honor.
We'll pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Adina Waquian, case number SP 188-57641. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Crystal Marie Medina on behalf of Miss Joaquin.
All right. Good morning, Miss Medina. Was Miss Joaquin need an interpreter?
Yes, Your Honor. I do know that she was required to complete community service hours, and those have been completed timely, Your Honor. I believe she was required to complete 6. She completed 7.
Se llama el caso, se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Joaquín Edna Juárez. Número de caso SP 1885-7641. Está aquí para una revisión de su caso.
All right. Good morning to you, Miss Joaquin Queen. I do see that you completed the community service hours. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out.
Buenos días a usted, señora Joaquín. Sépase que nosotros le habíamos pedido que usted hiciera horas de servicio comunitario y veo aquí que usted las cumplió. Reconociendo eso, le queremos dar las gracias a usted y vamos a cerrar a su caso.
Buenos días, sí, muchas gracias.
Good morning. Yes, thank you very much.
Have a great day, ma'am, and you too, Ms. Medina. Best of luck to you both.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Que tenga usted muy buen día, señora. Igualmente usted, abogada Medina, buena suerte a las dos.
Thank you, Your Honor. Muchas gracias y buen día, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. Oh, let's go back on the record with Mr. Carlos Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client availed himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to allowing for one of the driver license matters, the remaining matters, to be dismissed. I'm placing his number in the chat.
Do you want to do that, sir?
Yeah, I want to do the community service thing.
That's some awful good lawyering there, Mr. Barry.
Well, thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, that's
What do you mean, Your Honor?
Look, you got all these cases, and you got you a deal for one, and it's going to be dismissed after the 12 hours of community services. That's some good lawyering now.
Oh, so all 12 cases will be gone?
Not all 12, no.
Oh.
Not all 12. Misdemeanors, right? But if you want to do community service to clear all of it up, I can get that to you. I can get you.
I'm just trying to find out what it is I need to do to be able to walk in the Secretary of State to get my license back.
Well, I don't see anything here that'll affect your ability to get a license. So he doesn't care about the money that he owes the court. All he wants to do is get a license.
Yeah, so I don't owe y'all more money. I need to get to work.
That's what you say, Mr. Green?
I need to get to work.
My question to you is, do you want to just do the 12 to clear this up? Or do you want to do more community service hours to clear all your balance up at the at the 36th District Court?
How many hours we talking?
We're talking about 54 hours. We'll clear everything up.
No, I'm gonna pay that money.
All right.
I'll do my 12 and then I'll pay the rest of the money.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offenses are 90 misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, I do not.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 12th, probably strike that, February the 12th, 2026 at around 3:16 a.m. in the city of Detroit. He was leaving work in the area of DeQuinder and 7 Mile. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
And were you operating a motor vehicle, sir?
Yes, I was.
And I was correct, you were leaving work at that time, not the club, right?
Yes, you are correct, sir.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Because it had been suspended from some tickets from 24.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other misdemeanor matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'll waive the warrant fee. We'll pay any reinstatement fee, and it'll be sentence will be 12 hours of community service with the dismissal upon completion with Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Is the best number to reach you that 4931 number?
That 313-802-4931?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
I get in touch with Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set the hours up. I'm going to give you until June 24th to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, then we'll dismiss the case. And again, I would go to the Secretary of State now to see if they'll give you a valid license. If they don't give you a valid license, then you ask them for a printout of everything that's affecting your license. They should give you that, okay?
All right, thank you.
If no further questions, Mr. Green, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, you as well.
Oh, thank you. All right, I see you there, Counselor. Let me get Mr. Barry going on. This is the City of Detroit versus Maria Ochoa, case number SP 189-2771, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Ochoa.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra María Ochoa, números de caso SP 1892-771, cargos 1, 2, 3 y 1. Que todos tengan sus nombres para que conste en el acta. Habla el abogado Berry representando a la señora Ochoa. Usted, señora Ochoa, díganos su nombre completo.
Muy buenos días, su señoría. Yo soy María Flores Ochoa.
A very good morning to you, Your Honor. My name is Maria Flores Ochoa.
Good morning to you, Ms. Flores Ochoa. Day is date and time set for arraignment, Mr. Berry, for purposes of arraignment.
Y buenos días a usted, señora Flores Ochoa. Este es el día y la hora que tenemos fijada para tener su lectura de cargos. ¿Qué nos dice usted, señor Berry?
We'd waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Nosotros renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio, su señoría.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Flores Ochoa, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, así que vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted. Le vamos a dar una fianza de $0. La vamos a pasar ahora virtualmente a una sala privada de consulta para que tenga la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry, quien le va a conseguir usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si no le gusta la oferta de resolución, usted tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora la invitación donde dice join o unirse.
Okay, let's pass the matter. Adam Aycock, Attorney Aycock, good morning to you. What does your client want to do? I know I forgot, I should have let you go then. Your client needs an interpreter, I understand that. So what we'll do is I'll have the next one that does not need an interpreter. I'll get one of our house counsels started and then they'll free up an interpreter and then we'll get you out of here. But what does your client want to do?
She would like to avail herself of the offer that includes community service.
And what was that offer?
It was responsible to blockading and dismissal of the others, of the 2 pending misdemeanors.
Okay, does your client have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
I do not believe she does. I would like to get that from the court if possible.
We'll put all this on the record, but the number is 313-879-2155.
Okay.
And put your client's phone number in the chat so that we can have it.
Okay, I certainly will do so. And just so the court's aware, I do have a circuit court hearing at 10:30. So if my screen's dark, I might just be handling that, but I will be here. My client will remain here with me as well.
Hopefully we can get you out in the next few minutes.
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you.
Good morning, buenos dias, Senorita Ortega Lopez. No, that's not okay. No, that's buenos dias to you as well, Senorita Rodriguez de Orozco.
No. Excuse me, I heard two last names. Did you mean Ortega Lopez? If so, that's me.
No, I did say good morning. I meant Rodriguez, but I'm saying good morning to you as well.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Robrero. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants an appointed attorney.
Señor Roblero, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una consulta privada con su abogada. Entiendo, señora abogada, que el señor Roblero quiere que se le asigne un abogado asignado por la corte.
Yes,
sí.
Your Honor. However, we are asking that the case can stay here for pretrial discussions just upon receiving discovery. There is an issue there that he may be able to resolve here.
Señor, sí, señoría, eso es lo que desea hacer, pero nosotros estamos pidiendo que por favor se mantenga el caso en esta corte con usted, puesto que hay un punto allí que pensamos que él podría resolver mejor en esta corte.
I'm going to send him to his alphabet judge, Ms. Harris.
Do they have an option of returning?
Sorry, can you repeat, Ms. Harris? I interrupt you. I'm so sorry.
Do they have the option to return?
¿Y tendría él la opción de volver a esta corte?
I don't know where that would be necessary.
No sé si eso sería necesario.
He is inclined to do community service.
Él quiere hacer las horas de servicio comunitario.
However, there is an issue that could be resolved for pretrial discussion purposes if discovery were had first.
Pero hay un asunto, aquí un punto que podría ser discutido en la consulta previa al juicio, una vez que se reciban las pruebas.
Send Ms. Harris a copy of the ticket, please. We'll pass
Por favor,
the matter.
Vamos a darle a la señora Harris una copia de esta infracción. Vamos a pasar el caso mientras que la señora Harris revisa eso, señor Robles. Vamos a esperar.
And Ms. Harris, talk to Ms. Ortega Lopez, Jasmine Ortega Lopez. This is the city of Detroit versus Jasmine. She does not need an interpreter. This is the Detroit versus Jasmine Alejandra Ortega Lopez. Case number SP 1893949, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Ortega Lopez, please state your name for the record.
Hello, my name is Jasmine Alejandra Ortega Lopez.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Ms. Hernandez, we need an interpreter. Madam Acott needs an interpreter for her client. This is the city of Detroit versus Maria Rodriguez de Orozco. Case number SP1 9004471, SP1 9004454, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la señora de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora María Rodríguez de Orozco. Número de caso SP190-04471 y SP190-04541 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Sí, soy María Rodríguez de Orozco. María de Lourdes Rodríguez de Orozco.
Yes, my name is María de Lourdes Rodríguez de Orozco.
And good morning, for the record, Leslie Aycock on behalf of the defendant.
Y buenos días, para que conste en el acta, yo soy la señora Leslie Aycock representando a la señora.
All right, good morning to both of you. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Buenos días a ambas. Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, señora Aycock, ¿cómo desea proseguir?
For arraignment purposes, we stand mute, waive formal reading.
Su señoría, para la propósito de la lectura de cargos, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. It is my understanding off the record, your client, you worked out a deal, and you mentioned that your client would plead to a blocking traffic.
Está bien, yo voy entonces a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en el nombre de su cliente y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Entiendo que ya usted obtuvo un acuerdo de resolución por parte de la fiscalía y su cliente está lista para declararse del cargo enmendado de impedir el tránsito.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Eso es correcto, su señoría.
You stipulate for the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Está bien, señor abogado. Entonces usted está dispuesta a establecer las bases de fundamento para la declaración de responsabilidad de su cliente del cargo enmendado.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
¿Y hace usted la estipulación para desestimar los cargos restantes?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. In lieu of fines and costs, I'll allow your client to do 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Está bien, entonces yo le voy a aceptar la declaración de responsabilidad del cargo enmendado de que su cliente está bloqueando el tránsito y le voy a imponer 6 horas de servicio comunitario, las cuales va a ser en el Centro Comunitario de Justicia del Suroeste de Detroit.
Have your client call Mr. Phillips this afternoon to set those hours up. If those hours are complete, we'll close the matter out. If you or your client don't have any further questions, we wish you both the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señora. Por favor, dígale a su clienta que llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips para establecer cómo, cuándo y dónde va a ser esas horas de servicio comunitario. Y una vez que ella tenga las horas de servicio comunitario, este caso será cerrado.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
Gracias, su señoría. No tengo más preguntas al respecto.
I'll give it till June 24th. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, y le voy a dar hasta el 24 de junio para que haga esas horas de servicio comunitario.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Have a good day, all.
Que tenga buen día.
Good morning on the iPhone. Can you start your camera, unmute yourself and state your name, please?
Buenos días, la persona que está en el iPhone, por favor, abra su micrófono y diga su nombre.
Mi nombre es Nelson Rolando Girón Reyes. Hello?
Perdón. Ajá.
Good morning, sir. What is your name, please?
Nelson Rolando Girón. This is you talking to me?
Yes.
Yeah, this is Keisha Lunn. I was reaching back out to you because nobody reached out to me about the dropping situation.
What is your name?
Keisha Lunn. I have a court day on the 29th, but you informed me that I needed to drop before then. The court haven't reached out to me.
Lund,
L-U-N-N.
L-U-N-E.
No, L-U-N-N.
L-U-N-N, okay.
Yep, I was reaching back out to the court because I gave the number. Can 5 reached out to me for me to drop at least one time before I come to court on the 29th.
Can you get probation down here or somebody from probation down here, please? For Keyshawn Lund. All right, sit tight, Mr. Lund. On to you.
Okay.
Señorita, tengo una pregunta, por favor.
Please, I have a question, please.
What is your question, sir?
Señor, ¿cuál es su pregunta?
La corte era el 12, me la cambiaron para hoy 20 a las 8:30. El día 12 me la cambiaron para hoy 20 y no me han llamado desde las 8:30. Estoy en lista.
My call was set for the 12th, and they changed it for today, the 20th at 8:30, and I have been here since 8:30, and I have not been called yet.
Any what?
I haven't been called yet.
All right, so Mr. Garcia, didn't I acknowledge you and didn't I tell you that I'm going in the order that you came in?
Señor, ya yo no le contesté su pregunta y le dije que yo estaba llamando a la gente en el orden que se registraron.
Oh, ok, pero como vi que la persona, él tenía otro día de corte, quería saber si era que no me encontraba porque me habían cambiado el día.
Yes, but since I saw that the other person had another court date, and I also was changed to today, I wanted to be sure that it was maybe that you cannot find me in the docket today.
Didn't I tell you that you were on the docket already, sir?
Señor, ya yo no le dije que sí, que usted estaba en la lista y que estaba registrado.
Oh, no escuché esa parte, discúlpeme.
I'm so sorry, I didn't hear that part.
No, you didn't want to hear that part. Do not keep interrupting me, Mr. Garcia, okay?
No, yo creo que usted no quería oír esa parte. Y por favor, señora García, no me siga interrumpiendo. Okay, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I think that Miss Flores Ochoa might have dropped off. I was explaining to her how to return to the main session, and I don't think she did it correctly. I don't see her.
She did. I got
Is she here? Oh, good.
I need you, Mr. Lund.
Yeah, you want me to give it to you now?
Yes.
Okay. It's 313-657-0666. 0545.
Got it.
657 0545 313 number.
Get somebody in here now to see if we can get them going.
I can try that. He needs to just call over there. I don't know if the young ladies still have it. They like.
No, I'm talking about the
They
probation.
haven't signed nobody yet. I mean, I can call them. Let me call. Yeah, I know. Sorry.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Miss Ochoa. Miss Ochoa, Flores Ochoa, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver ahora en el acta con el caso de la señora Flores Ochoa. Señora, le enviamos la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué va a hacer su cliente?
Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to allowing for the no license charge, and she'd also enter a plea to failure to secure a passenger. Her number is in the chat.
Sí, sí, señoría, mi cliente quiere aprovecharse de la oferta de resolución que le ha propuesto la Fiscalía. Es decir, ella va a presentar una declaración de culpable de haberle permitido a una persona sin licencia a conducir. Este cargo reemplaza el cargo original de que no tenía licencia de conducir. También presenta ella una declaración hacia el cargo de falta de asegurar una persona dentro del vehículo.
You want to take the deal, Miss Flores Ochoa?
Señora Flores Ochoa, ¿quiere usted aceptar esta oferta de resolución?
Sí, sí.
Yes,
Sí, señor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Sí.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí, sí.
Yes, yes.
Put your hand down.
Baje la mano.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Y comprende usted, señora, que la penalidad máxima en este caso pudieran ser 93 días en la cárcel y o un máximo de $500 en multas?
Sí.
Yes.
And do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de ir a juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y el señor Berry revisó con usted sus otros derechos constitucionales cuando estaban en la sala privada de consulta, ¿no es cierto?
Sí, es correcto.
Yes, that is correct.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien va a ser ofrecido algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado en el acta?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 9th, 2026 at around 5:56 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Scotton and Clark Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Entonces, señora, permíteme recordarle usted la fecha del 9 de abril del 2026, aproximadamente a las 5:56 de la tarde, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Scotton y Clark. ¿Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí, así fue.
That's so.
And were you operating a motor vehicle, ma'am?
Y señora, ¿iba usted manejando un vehículo?
Sí.
Yes.
And did your officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿Y el policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia válida de conducir?
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Pero eso usted no pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto?
Sí, así es.
Yes, that's so.
And why is that?
¿Y por qué razón?
Mm, porque no tengo una licencia aquí de Detroit. Tengo licencia, pero de otro país, de aquí no.
Because I don't have a license from Detroit, from here. I do have a license, but it's from another country.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing order your client to do 12 hours of community service, dismiss upon completion for that.
Muy bien, así que acepto la declaración de culpable de su cliente al cargo modificado de que le permitió a una persona sin licencia conducir. Le voy a pedir a ella que haga 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Una vez que las haya cumplido, el caso queda desestimado.
Will you stipulate on the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an active factual basis for that responsible plea?
Y puede usted estipular que yo puedo depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para la base para la declaración de responsable.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipuló su señoría.
Sí.
And
Yes.
stipulate probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y
Yes,
puede
Your Honor. So
estipular que hay causa
stipulated.
razonable para desestimar el otro asunto si su señoría sí lo estipuló.
And with those stipulations, I'm gonna find you responsible as charged to the failure to secure passenger and dismiss the other matter.
Y con esas estipulaciones encuentro, señora, que usted es responsable tal como ha sido acusada de falta de haber asegurado un pasajero dentro del vehículo. Desestimo el otro cargo.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, Ms. Flores Ochoa?
Y señora Flores Ochoa, ya tiene usted el número del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad.
Sí.
Yes.
I'm gonna ask you to call Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set the hours up. I'm gonna give you until June 24th to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, we'll dismiss the case, okay?
Your Honor, was that June 24th?
June 24th.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bueno, señora, entonces yo le voy a pedir a usted que usted marque ese número que ya le han dado esta misma tarde y pida hablar con el señor Phillips para que hagan los arreglos para las horas que usted va a trabajar. Le voy a dar a usted hasta el 24 de junio para que alcance a cumplir las horas que le hemos pedido a usted. Una vez que las haya completado, desestimamos su caso.
Okay. Sí, su señoría.
Yes, Your Honor. And thank you.
Thank you. If you don't have any further questions, Ms. Flores Ochoa, you have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Y gracias a usted, señor Flores Ochoa. Si no tiene alguna otra pregunta, que tenga usted muy buen día y buena suerte que le deseamos a usted.
Muchas gracias, igualmente.
Thank you very much, and same to you.
All right.
Your
This
Honor,
is-
Interpreter Villarreal needs to step away for about 30 minutes. I'm needed in another courtroom, and I will come right back.
Very well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Julio Ismael Gonzalez de Leon, case number SP 1899844, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1899845, appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Julio González de León, número de caso SP 189-98441, cargos 1 y 2, y SP 189-98451. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Julio Ismael González de León.
Good morning, my name is Julio Ismael González de León.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. For purposes of
Señoría.
arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Mi nombre es Ed Woodbury Jr. y estoy representando al acusado, su señoría. Y para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
I'll enter a not, good morning to you, Mr. De Leon. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. De Leon will put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor de León, lo voy a poner en una sala de consulta privada con el señor Berry. Voy a introducir voy a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a poner una multa de $0. Por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada con su abogado, quien le va a dar un acuerdo de resolución por parte de la fiscalía y sepa que entienda que si no le gusta esa oferta, no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación de join, unirse, que aparezca en su pantalla.
Pass the matter. He's in there, Ms. Hernandez.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Gordon, Clarence Gordon.
Yes.
Do you
Yes.
want me to appoint you an attorney for this case, sir?
Yes.
All right, so we'll get you another date. I'm gonna appoint you an attorney and we'll get you out of here. An attorney will give you a call, hopefully before your next court date. This is the city of Detroit versus Clarence Gordon, case number U7-433-1526. Mr. Gordon, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Clarence Gordon.
All right, today is the date and time is set for an arraignment. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to give you a $0 bond. Mr. Gordon, is this the best number to reach you?
Yes.
All right. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we're gonna get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
Next court date is gonna be June the 12th at 8:30.
June 12th.
Yes.
June 12th, 8:30.
At 8:30. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, you too. Thank you.
You're welcome. You got it? All right. Run Ortiz Lopez license, please.
Okay.
Yeah, Ortiz Lopez, second page, middle of the page, Darwin Ortiz Lopez.
Oh, okay, I sure do. Thank you.
Well, Mr. Lloyd Golden. Lloyd Brown Golden. Unmute yourself, start your camera, sir. Good morning to
Yes,
you.
sir. I'm sorry. I couldn't get it off of mute. I'm sorry, sir.
All right, start your camera, please. Mr. Lloyd Brown Golden, I see that you're not supposed to be here until June the 2nd.
Oh, I thought you said the 20th, sir.
Well, I don't
And I
know if
thought
I,
it was this month when you said the 20th. I was confused. I'm sorry. I'd rather be early to court than late. You know what I mean? So
very
I'm
well.
sorry. I must have not heard you right. I'm
I'm
deaf
not
in one ear.
saying that I didn't say that. I'm just saying that in here, it says, yeah, it's June, on May 13th, we said June the 2nd.
Okay.
May the
So I don't
13th,
have to be here now, sir? Or?
you don't have to be here now.
Okay. Well, then I guess I'll be here June the 2nd. I appreciate it.
Best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Any inconvenience or mix-up?
No, it's my fault. I should have paid attention. I can't hear. I got to put it to my ear. I'm deaf. So have a nice day, sir. June the 2nd.
You as well.
A few more photos on the floor. 8:30.
What about Ortiz Lopez?
I ran his license. There was no match. I just want to run it again. He still got it. Is it somebody still in the phone? Is it somebody?
No, we good. No, we good.
Oh, okay.
It was Mr. Lang.
So there's nobody out there? Okay.
The gentleman with his mother.
Yeah.
Mr. LaFleur. Gerald LaFleur.
Yes, Your Honor.
Bring your camera on, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Mr. LaFleur, take your hat off, please. Good morning to you. And your scarf. Thank you. Mr. LaFleur, do you want us to appoint an attorney for you, or do you want to just see what you can get today?
See what I can get today.
Okay. All right, give me a minute.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. De Leon. Mr. De Leon, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Está bien, volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor De León. Señor De León, la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry. Señor Berry, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5 for the failure to stop for a school bus. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi cliente se quiere adherir a la oferta de resolución ofrecida por la fiscalía, que es que él se declare del cargo enmendado de andar entre 1 y 5 millas por encima del exceso de velocidad en una zona de acceso limitado, el cual sustituye al cargo de no haber parado por un autobús escolar, y los otros 2 cargos de no licencia y no seguro van a ser desestimados.
You want to take the deal, sir?
¿Usted quiere tomar este cargo, este acuerdo que le están ofreciendo, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Entonces, señor abogado, usted hace la estipulación necesaria para establecer las bases de hecho para el cargo y representación de su representado.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulación hecha, su señoría.
Did we try to run that license? Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
¿Y estipula usted, señor abogado, la causa probable para desestimar los 2 cargos restantes?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulado, su señoría.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm going to find you responsible as to the amended count of limited access 1 to 5. In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir?
Está bien, señor González de León. Yo lo voy a encontrar responsable de ir el exceso entre 1 y 5 millas por exceso de límite de acceso limitado, y le voy a imponer 6 horas de servicio comunitario por ello, para que las haga. Tiene ya el número para comunicarse con el Centro de Justicia Comunitario, donde tiene que llamar para establecer cómo y cuándo y dónde hacer las horas.
Sí.
Yes, he has the number, Your Honor.
Okay, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon and set the hours up. I'm going to give you until the 24th of June to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, sir, I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Entonces, por favor, llame sin falta esta misma tarde al señor Phillips para que arregle lo de las horas, y le voy a dar hasta el día 24 de junio para que las haga.
Está bien, gracias.
That's good. That's good. Si no tiene
Otra pregunta, ¿voy a tener corte?
el 24 de junio.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, so on the 24th is my next court, on the 24th.
Yes, contact Mr. Phillips, set the hours up, and if the hours are complete, we'll close the matter out.
Exacto, señor. Entonces usted tiene que contactar al señor Phillips, hacer las horas, como él le diga, cuando él le diga, y las tiene que tener listas para el 24 de junio. Ese día se vuelve a anotar aquí, y si se presenta con los documentos que ya los hizo, le cierran su caso.
El 24 de junio
El 24 de
a las
junio
8.
a las 8:25 de la mañana, igual que hoy, con el mismo número de Zoom que hoy.
Gracias, muy amable. Feliz día.
Okay, thank you. Very kind of you. Thank you very much. Yes, on the 24th at 8:25 with the same Zoom ID. Okay, thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Have a great day.
Señor, que tenga un excelente día. Se puede retirar.
Gracias.
Thank you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Maynard Torres, case number SP 1899932, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Maynard Torres, número de caso SP 189-93-321, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Owen S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Torres.
Edward Berry Jr., representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, ahora usted diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Maynard Abdías Sánchez Torres.
Maynard Abdías Sánchez Torres.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, Mr. Torres. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor, yo entonces voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad, voy a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y establecer una multa de $0. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry, quien le va a conseguir una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si usted no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada.
Join the room, please.
Por favor.
Pass the matter. He's in there. Let's
Thank
go
you,
back
Your
on the
Honor.
record. You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Ortega Lopez. Ms. Ortega Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to take a blocking traffic.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Ortega Lopez?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, with those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Ms. Ortega Lopez, just give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up. I'll give you until June 24th to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You as well.
Your Honor, I cannot move.
You can't move?
Nope.
Let's see.
Number 5? Okay, thank you.
Number 2. All right, Ms. Harris, let's call the City of Detroit
Your Honor,
versus, yes.
I think I still had one other person, but he just needs his date in front of the
He needs an
judge.
interpreter though, doesn't he?
He does.
All right, this is one that doesn't have the interpreter. This is the City of Detroit versus Justin Dwayne Goodwin. Case number SP 134-88771, SP 158-16271, SP 160-28041, SP 164-8797, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 185-63451. SP 185-63941. State of Michigan versus Justin Dwayne Goodwin, case number SX 459320201. SX 464076671. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Justin Dwayne Goodwin. We lost him. We lost him. Let's pass that matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Gerald Gregory LaFleur Jr. Case number SP 185-0401, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. LaFleur, please state your name.
Gerald LaFleur.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. LaFleur, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Yes.
When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Judge, can you give me a minute before we go to the next case?
Yes.
Thanks.
All right. Same thing, same game every day. Whenever the last person leaves.
Is this the 4th year or 5th year?
This is the 5th year. 5th year.
So what month is it by?
This month.
Oh, it's 5 this
tomorrow.
Month. Tomorrow?
May 24th was the date I started. I got appointed on May 21st. Monday and Friday, then on the weekends, if there's any writs or any attorneys call me for somebody that may have gotten locked up, then so it's really on call at any time.
You usually go lunch breaks downtown?
Well, pretty much wherever. I'd usually stay in my chambers.
Oh, you live in Detroit?
Yeah, have to live in Detroit.
You from Detroit, right?
From Detroit. Have to live in Detroit. North End.
So this is 5 years tomorrow.
Oh, and
75.
Oh, congratulations, Judge.
Thank you.
You gotta go to lunch or something.
Yeah, we gotta celebrate that. Okay.
I gotta go tomorrow to
Oh yeah, because you're going to the graduation.
It's been 5 years.
It's been 5 years.
Wow.
So we can do it the next day then.
Huh? You say what?
I don't, yeah, I was reading on there that she's been working here for about 5 years. Governor, what's her name? Governor
Whitmer.
Yeah. She might hire.
She appointed me, yes. I went to.
But, you got about 3 more years left or something, right?
I got.
December the 1st, 2029. Like those ends.
Yeah. Yeah. I went. So I got appointed on the 5th. I started on the 24th. So 24th will be my start date.
The 24th of
That's a Sunday.
Of May?
Yes.
I haven't figured that out.
It's Sunday, so
Still trying to figure out.
Monday's the 20th.
High school, that's the same.
So Monday.
It's not the same as we lost.
It's not the same as school we lost. No, high school is not the same.
Okay. And true.
What you say?
Said Monday.
Oh, Monday.
I was moved to Taylor, Michigan. She still stays. I went to 2 different high schools.
All right.
Graduated.
Is that your planner?
You like 54?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Knowing how you are, I just assumed it was in your phone.
I told her.
Or something.
Oh, about
All
the
right.
judge anniversary?
No, your
Let's
planner.
go back on the record. Oh, well, we have to wait on Miss. We have to wait on Miss Williams Law.
Ah, ok. Vamos a esperar un momento que venga la secretaria de la corte que tiene un proceso para volver a llamar el caso.
Off the record, what does your client want?
What is your client? Your
Mr.
Honor,
Barry?
my client has shown valid documents of valid international license, valid insurance, as well as he's shown the vehicle to be tent-free.
Aquí para que, aunque no estamos en el acta todavía, ¿qué desea hacer su cliente? Señoría, nosotros estamos pidiendo que le quiten los 3 cargos porque él presentó los documentos requeridos y porque también vi que él le quitó las ventanas oscuras. Y estamos a pedir que le quiten los 3 cargos.
The court is closed on Monday.
We'll put that on the record when Ms. Williams Law returns.
Está bien, entonces vamos a poner eso en el acta cuando la señora Williams Law regrese de su ausencia.
Mr. Berry, I wanted you to know for Jerome, there's seems to be error in the input of the tickets. Seems like some of the tickets have been duplicative as far as how they've been entered. Just one of the case numbers, the end of the case numbers on 2 of them are just not there, but I believe those to be all the same matters.
This is what defendant, Your Honor?
This is Giron Reyes, the Nelson Giron Reyes.
I don't have Mr. Reyes on my docket.
Down at the bottom, Nelson Giron Reyes, down at the bottom of 830, toward the bottom of 830. About 4 names up.
Page 1.
Page 1.
Page 1. Oh, Jerome Reyes. Thank you. Thank you all.
Back, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record
with Mr. Ortiz. Please sit up, sir.
Señor Ortiz, por favor, si es tan amable, siéntese. Derecho.
Thank you.
Gracias.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Torres. Mr. Torres, it's my understanding that you have provided the valid documentation, sir, and for that, I'm going to dismiss your matters. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Está bien, volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Sánchez Torres. Señor Torres, entiendo que usted presentó la documentación debida y por lo tanto todos sus casos van a ser desestimados. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, se puede retirar. Que tenga muy buen día.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Una pregunta.
I have a question.
Ok, entonces ya no, porque tenía los puntos, ya no tengo cargo y no tengo que pagar nada.
Okay, so everything is clear and I don't have to pay anything?
You don't have to pay anything. Have a very good rest of your day, sir.
Señor, no, señor, no tiene que pagar nada. Ya está resuelto todo. Que tenga muy buen día.
Muchas gracias, muy amable. Que los bendiga.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Very kind of you. Thank you. A la orden, señor. Se puede retirar.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Detroit versus Nelson Rolando Giron Reyes, case number SP1896973, SP1896931, SP1896977, SP1896977, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's very Junior.
Go ahead.
On behalf of the defendant.
Este es el caso del señor Nelson Rolando Girón Reyes. I have five cases, Your Honor.
Sí.
Okay, thank you. SP 189-6977-172 y SP 189-6977, SP 189-6977-31 y SP 189-6973. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Mi nombre es Nelson Rolando Girón Reyes.
My name is Nelson Rolando Girón Reyes. Mi nombre es Woodbury Jr., representando al acusado.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, nosotros vamos a hacer la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Guion, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor, voy a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una multa de $0. Por favor, lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogado, quien le va a dar una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada. Unirse. Join.
We'll pass the matter. He's in there, Ms. Hernandez.
No, not yet, not yet. Still talking about going after Michael Porter Jr.
Yeah, they talking about keeping Durant too.
Yeah, they said 170 million. You know, he asking for the max, but no other team's gonna max him because he's not unrestricted. He's restricted. This is get to sit there and say, okay, let's see what everybody else offers, which we already know because we talked to those owners. You're not getting offered more than 170 because they watched you play in the playoffs. So we'll match that.
That's a lot of money.
Well, he can get that because he's all-star, but he ain't getting that 300 million max. Big difference in 300 million and 160.
Yeah, I think he can be all right and live.
He even got people.
He might not feel that it's. He might.
He know what it is. He know what it is because he had everybody on the internet saying you messing up your own money. All you gotta do is go out there and play and get your 300. And never showed up. Still get your 170 for what you did in the regular season. They need him anyway. 22 years old.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. LaFleur. Mr. LaFleur, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Yeah. Is that what you want to do, Mr. LaFleur?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna set you a pretrial date, sir, for June the 12th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set so that that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If that appointed attorney does not contact you by that date, we're going to get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay.
I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney again, we'll get one appointed to you on that date.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. LaFleur, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
Thank you. Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus David Bernard Lee, case number SP 1405981, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Lee.
Gone.
Okay.
I think gone. Justin Goodwin is gone. David Lee is gone. Does anybody not need an interpreter? If you do not need an interpreter,
I don't, Your Honor.
start your camera, please. Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Marco Antonio Trevino, case number SP 1793217, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 189778081. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Trevino. Please state your name for the record.
Marco Antonio Trevino.
For purposes of arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. And you can add to that another driving while license suspended and no insurance misdemeanor. Mr. Trevino, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to it. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. We'll pass the matter.
I'm back, Your Honor, and thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Hi, if you record your name and reason for calling, I'll see if this person is available.
Turn the air
Did we get a deal, Mr. Barry?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is that?
He will be entering a plea to blocking traffic for the disregarding a traffic control device, and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Trevino. Mr. Trevino, I've given you an opportunity. Well, let's go back, start that. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Reyes. Mr. Reyes, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel indicates you want to plead to a blocking traffic.
Vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el señor Reyes. Señor Reyes, entiendo que usted está dispuesto a declararse del cargo de enmendado de que impidió el tráfico, el tránsito.
Sí.
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket for the responsible plea.
Abogado, ¿hace usted la estipulación para las bases de fundamento para la emisión de dicho ticket, boleta de tránsito?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulación hecha, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
La causa probable para la desestimación del resto de los cargos, sí, estipulación hecha, su señoría.
All right, with those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs. It'll be 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Está bien, yo voy a encontrar entonces a su cliente responsable del cargo enmendado de impedir el tránsito y le voy a imponer 6 horas de servicio comunitario para que las haga en el Centro de Justicia Comunitario.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, Mr. Reyes?
Señor Reyes, ¿tiene usted el número para comunicarse con el Centro Comunitario de Justicia del Suroeste de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Call Mr. Phillips this afternoon. Set the hours up. I'll give you until June 24th to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Por favor, llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips para establecer cómo va a ser las obras. Y yo le voy a dar hasta el día 24 de junio para que las tenga hechas.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor. Que tenga muy buen día. La mejor de las suertes para usted. Ya se puede desconectar.
Venga, muchas gracias, igual.
Thank you very much. Same for you.
All right. Mr. Berry, this is going to be the city of Detroit versus Darwin Joaquin de Jesus Ortiz Lopez, case number SP 188-9736, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Where
Oh,
is
that's-
he, I'm sorry, Mr. Berry. Where is he, Your Honor? I don't see him.
He is on the second page, right in the middle at 8:30.
Ortiz Jafanere López, Darwin.
Sí, buenos días.
Darwin Joaquín Ortiz López. Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Se llama, and thank you, Emma. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Darwin Joaquín Ortiz López. Número de este caso es CP 18-8973-6, cargo 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Sí, mi nombre es Darwin Joaquín de Jesús Ortiz López.
Yes, my name is Darwin Joaquín Ortiz López.
For purposes
All right, good
of
morning.
arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Y este caso le toca al señor Berry. Su señoría, nosotros vamos a renunciar que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
Oh, good morning to you, sir. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Ortiz Lopez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, entonces voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted. Vamos a darle a usted una fianza de $0. Lo vamos a pasar ahora virtualmente a una sala privada de consulta para que usted pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry, quien le va a conseguir usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si no le gusta la oferta, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora donde dice join o unirse para que pueda pasar. Join o unirse. Por favor.
Okay, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ortiz Ribeiro. Mr. Ortiz Ribeiro, I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge, sir.
Está bien, vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Ortiz Rivero. Señor Ortiz Roblero, yo lo voy a mandar a usted para para el juez que le toca según su apellido.
I have the file marked needs appointed attorney and needs a Spanish interpreter.
Tengo aquí en su expediente que necesita que le asignen un abogado para todo su caso y que también necesita un intérprete de español.
Your next court date is gonna be June the 12th, 2026 at 8:30.
La próxima fecha va a ser el día 12 de enero del 2026 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
And the Zoom ID is 360-336-0000.
Y el número de Zoom para poderse comunicar, por favor anote, va a ser 336-0000.
3-6.
Bueno. ¿Sí? Dígame.
3600.
No, señor. Empecemos.
3-6-0-0-0-0. You got you one
Muy
there.
bien,
puede
Guillermo.
repetir?
Down there further because they be gone.
Can you repeat it, please?
360-336-0000.
360
Ajá.
336-0000. Repítame ahora usted.
36 0
Ajá,
3
ajá,
3
ajá.
6
¿Qué más? Ajá,
0
ajá,
0 0
ajá. Son 4 ceros al final. 4
4.
zeros at the end. Sí, 4.
A ver, ¿me lo puede repetir de nuevo?
No, repítame usted lo que tiene.
3 6 0
Ajá,
3 3 6 6
ajá. No, es un solo 6, señor. 336. Es como se lo estoy diciendo. 360.
3 6 0.
Ajá, después 336.
A ver, ¿me lo puede repetir? Es que ya me confundí acá.
Ok.
Disculpe.
It's okay. I'm sorry. It's okay. 360. Repita.
Ajá. 3 6 0.
Repítame. Ajá. 336.
3 3 6.
Repita. Ajá. Ahora. 0000. 4 ceros. Repita.
0 0 0 0.
Exacto.
Lo repito de nuevo.
Ajá.
3 6 0
Ajá.
3 3 3 6.
¿Perdón?
3 3 6.
Ajá. Ok.
0 0 0.
Ok. Yeah, you got it.
Eh,
360. 336. 0000. Yes.
el 12 de enero del 2026.
Enero no. No, January. 12 of January no. June. 12 June. 12 de junio.
Oh, junio.
Junio.
Ok. ¿A qué hora?
12 de junio del 2026, porque el 12 de enero ya pasó.
Ajá. ¿A qué hora?
A las 8:30.
8:30. Ok,
At
perfecto.
8:30. Ok.
Y
Your Honor, what's the name of the judge?
There's no
Well-
judge in that room. They don't have an
Okay.
assigned judge.
Ok, esa tribunal no tiene un juez asignado. No sabemos qué juez va a ser, pero va a ser en ese que es el 336. ¿Ok?
Ajá.
360-336-0000 a las 8:30 de la mañana, el 12 de junio.
De junio. Y no tengo horas comunitarias.
So, I'm not going to do community court.
No,
No.
Entonces nomás tengo que presentarme el 12 de junio a las 8:30 a Zoom.
So, I only have to show up there on June the 12th at 8:30 by Zoom.
yes, and then you answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, then ask the judge over there to appoint you an attorney, okay?
Señor, atienda todas las llamadas que tenga, porque probablemente una de esas llamadas pueda ser el abogado que se le asignó.
Ok, perfecto.
En caso de que ese abogado no le llame a usted antes de ese 12 de junio, usted igualmente se anota allí, ¿verdad? Se conecta y en ese momento el juez que esté allí en esa sala 336 le va a poner el abogado asignado por la corte.
Ok, perfecto.
Ok, perfect.
Muchas gracias por todo.
Thank you very much for everything.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day,
Gracias.
sir.
Gracias. Thank you.
Best of luck to you.
La
Your
mejor
Honor,
de la
Mr.
suerte para usted, señor.
¿Ya me puedo
Sorry.
retirar?
May I be dismissed?
You may.
Sí, señor, se puede desconectar.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Your Honor, Mr. Ortiz Lopez needs assistance returning to the courtroom.
Thank you. Let's go
Yes,
back on the record with Mr. Trevino. Mr. Trevino, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, he is going to enter a plea pursuant to the recommendation, to the amended count of failing to display a valid license.
Failing to display?
My response also, but yes, that is the recommendation.
They weren't trying to give him a pretrial diversion offer?
I can go back and ask again.
You feel free. All right, we'll pass that matter. Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ortiz. Mr. Ortiz, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Señor Berry, vamos a volver ahora en el acta con el caso del señor Ortiz López. Señor Ortiz López, le dimos la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada. Díganos, abogado, ¿qué va a hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, my client will avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to allowing the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere aprovecharse de la oferta de resolución que le ha propuesto la fiscalía. Es decir, él quiere presentar una declaración al cargo de que le permitió a una persona sin licencia a conducir, reconociendo que el resto de los cargos quedan desestimados.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Ortiz?
¿Y usted quiere aceptar esta oferta de resolución, señor Ortiz?
Sí, la acepto.
Yes, I accept it.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Y puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Y jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí, lo juro.
Yes, I swear it.
You can put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y comprende usted, señor, que la penalidad máxima en su caso pudiera ser 93 días en la cárcel y o un máximo de $500 en multas?
Sí, lo sé.
Yes, I know that.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y sabe usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de ir a juicio?
Sí, lo sé.
Yes, I know.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y el señor Berry revisó con usted sus otros derechos constitucionales cuando estaba usted en la sala privada de consulta, ¿no es cierto?
Sí, es correcto.
Yes, that's correct.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió esos derechos?
Sí, los comprendí.
Yes, I understood them.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No, por el momento no.
No, not at this moment, no.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y sabe usted, señor, que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a sus derechos?
Sí, lo sé.
Yes, I know that.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado en el acta?
No.
No.
But let me draw your attention back to April the 5th, 2026, around 3:11 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Michigan and 14th Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Así que entonces permíteme recordarle a usted la fecha del 5 de abril del 2026, aproximadamente a las 3:11 de la tarde en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles Michigan y número 14. ¿Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de Detroit?
Sí, así es.
Yes, that is it.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Iba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado?
Sí, es correcto.
Yes, that's correct.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Y el policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia válida de conducir.
Sí, me pidió que le mostrara una licencia válida.
Yes, he asked me to show him a valid driver's license.
And you could not do so, could you?
Pero eso usted no pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto?
Sí, no pude mostrar una licencia válida.
No, I couldn't show him a valid driver's license.
And why is that?
¿Y por qué razón?
No tengo licencia de acá de Estados Unidos.
I don't have a license from the United States.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing. I'm going to order your client to do 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. And with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters.
Muy bien, así que acepto la declaración de culpable de su cliente al cargo modificado de haberle permitido a una persona sin licencia a conducir. Le voy a pedir a él que cumpla 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Él las va a hacer con el Centro de Justicia del Suroeste de Detroit. Y si usted me puede estipular, abogado, de que hay causa razonable, desestimo los otros cargos ahora.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, su señoría, de acuerdo.
All right, sir. I'll give you a call, Mr. Phillips, this afternoon and set the hours up. I'll give you until June 24th to complete the hours. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, así que llame ese número de teléfono que le dimos a usted, señor, esta tarde y pida hablar con el señor Phillips para que puedan hacer los arreglos para cómo y cuándo va a ser el trabajo. Y le voy a dar a usted hasta el 24 de junio para que llegue a cumplir con sus horas de servicio comunitario. Si no tiene alguna otra pregunta, le deseamos muy buen día y buena suerte.
Muchísimas gracias. Muy buen día.
Thank you very much. Have a very pleasant day.
You as well.
Y usted también.
Gracias.
Mr. Berry, this is the City of Detroit versus Angel Jose Acosta. Case number SP 189-2156, counts 1, 2, and 3. And appearance for the record, please.
Señor Berry, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Ángel José Acosta, número de caso SP 189-2156, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Is Angel Acosta?
Okay, he doesn't need interpreter.
All right.
No.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for arraignment, Mr. Berry. For purposes of arraignment,
we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, I wouldn't have any issue with allowing Mr. Acosta to be heard on SP 185-3078, counts 1 and counts 2. That is an expired plate and a no insurance proof. Mr. Acosta, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Trevino. Mr. Trevino, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, is the offer change or no?
Yes, Your Honor, they are offering and allowing.
Want to take the deal, Mr. Trevino?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth? You swear or affirm,
Yes.
tell the truth, whole truth? Okay, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not? You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 18th, 2026, around 2:57 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Christiancy and Clark. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, he did.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
So I do not have a valid license.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing. Stipulate the probable cause. Will dismiss the other matters. Stipulate the probable cause. Will dismiss the other matters. I'm gonna put you out of the room, Mr. Garcia. You're driving.
Señor García, lo vamos a sacar de la sala de espera porque usted está manejando.
Ms. Harris.
So stipulated?
All right. Mr. Trevino, I'm gonna give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon to set the hours up. You complete the hours. I'll give you until June 24th to complete them. And you complete the hours, we'll dismiss the matter, okay?
Yes, sir.
I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You also.
Thank you.
Hey, please.
Yes.
I'm gonna give him, do you want me to give him a new date? I haven't.
Yes. Give Goodman a new date as well. They both were here. Luis Medina was here as well. They're no longer here.
Can you turn Friday? Friday. Okay. Yes. Zoom meeting. Okay.
Hola. Espérate, ya.
So Justin Goodwin has zoomed in and fell off.
Yeah.
Okay.
What was that? What kind of lunch did they have down there?
Oh, they just got Mexican food. I had got a fajita bowl, so they put it in the same shell.
She looked at that.
It looked good.
I don't know.
It looked good with what they
by
closed.
her reaction, I was like
this.
either it was gonna be terrible or yeah.
I haven't had breakfast today, so I'm kind of
knocked it on top.
No, I didn't want them to close it. I was like, but I had it. Because it looks so good.
No, we love Mexican food.
I know I went to this one, Mr. Kinnison, last Friday. It was real.
Had to bring the Mexican back again, huh?
And I was thinking of Mexicans. So I was like, let me see what was downstairs.
I'm surprised you didn't get the steak.
Mr. Torres.
He didn't get the steak.
They asked. Sometimes it's just better for me to eat out because I don't have to do dishes. I mean, when you're single, it's better to just eat out sometimes.
She said it's like
You know, so
that's enough for you to take.
It keeps the house clean.
You hear me? So that's enough to take home.
That's fine.
There you go.
I'm having breakfast.
They did know they gave a nice portion for the
It's not really that big though. It's small though. Maybe it's not me.
all right, Mr. Garcia, do not let me catch you driving in court again, sir.
Señor García, no deje que yo lo vuelva a ver usted manejando mientras está en la corte.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the city of Detroit versus Yardis Garcia, case number SP 1888532, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1891328, counts 1, 2, and 3. Run his license, please. Appearance for the record.
Llamamos ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Yordis García, números de caso SP 1888532, SP 1888532, cargos 1 y 2, SP 1888532, que es el cargo número 3. Le pido a mi secretaria que por favor vea por la computadora cuál es el estatus de la licencia de él.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Garcia. Please state your name for the record.
Y habla Sherika Harris, la abogada representando al señor García. Usted, señor, díganos su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Jordi García Voltaire.
Yordis García Voltaire.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y le vamos a dar una fianza de $0.
Ms. Harris, your client is caught driving without a valid driver's license while on Zoom.
Abogada, pudimos ver que su cliente estaba manejando, lo vimos por Zoom y estaba manejando sin tener una licencia válida de conducir.
Get your client an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Garcia. Speak to him, Ms. Harris.
Así que, señora Harris, usted hable con el señor García. Señor García, lo vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta y la señora Harris le va a tratar de conseguir una oferta de resolución actualizada. Pero, señor, mantenga en mente que si no le gusta la oferta de resolución, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora donde dice join o unirse para que pase a la sala.
And the court is saying that he doesn't have a Michigan license.
La corte acaba de dejarme saber que él no tiene una licencia válida del estado de Michigan.
Yes.
Sí.
Kind of cheap for the rest of the week, y'all.
Yeah.
In the 60s, higher 60s.
Maybe not like, the other day. That's
It
what
was
Mike
80
Taylor
something
said.
3 days in a row, wasn't it?
Middle 60s. And it's going back up.
Yeah, it's going back up to the 80s.
I like Mike Taylor.
I know Mike Taylor.
You do?
Yeah.
How you know?
I know Mike Taylor personally.
That's how you know. You know, that's a secret you don't want to
No,
know.
that ain't no secret.
So how you know?
I've just been knowing since he's been a kid. I know his sisters.
He cool.
His
He
mom
he
too.
joins Mike Taylor. I watch him every morning.
His sister was a professional model.
I'll tell you what.
She's been pretty too.
I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna say.
No,
Yes,
you
he
do too.
do.
I met somebody that knew you too this weekend. So this guy named Fritz. He work on houses. He's like a contractor. He said he used to work.
You say, Judge, you know everybody.
You know everybody. Everybody knows Judge. Yeah.
Oh boy. But I like Mike Taylor. And then Keenan. Keenan, yeah, I do too. He's a meteorologist. He's a nurse, and he's an anchor.
He's a nurse too?
He's a registered nurse. He's a he's a meteorologist, and
Smart
he's
guy.
an
He do. He do what kind of smart. What?
Yeah,
But he not from Detroit, though.
No, he's from Philly.
Oh, he from Philly. Okay.
He from
Mike
Philly.
is
He has
from
all
the
kind of
city.
skilled trades.
He got all kind of trades. If he lose, hey, if he gets out
said
of
he
the
care less.
he got some job options,
No,
doesn't he?
Mike Taylor's sister used to be on this. She's a professional model. She looks like a model. As soon as she walk in here, you're gonna be like, oh boy, that's how pretty she is. But she used to be on the Somerset commercial. Remember they used to have this Somerset commercial and it used to be this tall, light-skinned girl. She used to just be walking with a long dress on. They used to show it like every other. Anyway, y'all probably know.
I don't remember it.
Yeah, that's my girl. Though.
I like Somerset though.
But I'm telling you that Keenan got jobs where he can get his job.
He never worried about
Nah, he don't have to worry about the job.
the nursing all by itself.
Nursing,
Especially in Michigan.
Meteorologist,
Meteorologist.
and a journalist.
I see them.
Yeah, that's right. He's a journalist too.
And then being a meteorologist is more than just being a weatherman. That's like them Mike and them, that's like an extra level of skill level.
Yeah. He really wanted to work in the city though, because at first he had to go up to they was sending him to other cities and stuff, and he really didn't want to be there. So he finally he wanted to really work for the city though. He did. He got his lead.
I'm sure he'll be the lead. I guess when that got one guy to retire, what's his name? He's on later. He's been on a long time too.
Yeah.
I wonder what is that?
Because Keenan don't do it. He don't do the weather no more, though, do we?
No, Keenan's an anchor.
The anchor now. Okay. Yeah.
So what do you have to get in undergrad?
I mean, I don't know. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos en el acta con el caso del señor García. Señor García, yo le di a usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué va a hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting an adjournment, so a pretrial date, just a brief 2-week adjournment.
Su señoría, respetuosamente le pedimos a la Corte un aplazamiento de quizás unas 2 semanas por volver a tener la consulta previa al juicio.
He's got some document that he's holding up that he must want me to see.
Él tiene un documento que ha levantado. Me parece que él quiere que yo lo vea.
Your Honor, I believe that is the letter from the Secretary of State. He just needs to go back to get the physical license. He lost his, so he needed to go back to replace it.
Su señoría, me parece que esa es la carta que él recibió de la Secretaría del Estado. Él perdió su licencia. Me parece que es la carta que le dice a él que regrese a las oficinas de la Secretaría del Estado para conseguir su licencia de conducir.
No,
No,
disculpe,
Or it may also be his insurance document, Your Honor.
no, también puede que lo que él tenga en la mano, su señoría, sea el comprobante de seguro de vehículo.
correcto.
Correct.
So did you talk to him about driving in my court without a valid driver's license?
Y dígame, ¿usted le habló a él acerca de estar manejando mientras estaba en corte conmigo y no tenía licencia de conducir con él?
No, Your Honor. But we had a conversation about he believes he does have a license based on information he has from the Secretary of State.
No, su señoría, pero él cree que tiene una licencia vigente de conducir, según lo que le ha dicho a él la Secretaría del Estado.
Well, your license is not valid, so I don't know what you have and what you thought it was, but it's not valid, sir. And please don't come in here driving again with, period, whether it's with a valid license or without a valid license in my courtroom while on Zoom.
Así que, señor, nosotros en nuestra investigación vemos que su licencia no está válida, aunque usted pensaba que estaba válida, no está. Así que yo le pido a usted que no esté manejando sin tener licencia de conducir, no vuelva a hacerlo, punto. Tenga o no tenga, no lo vuelva a hacer si estamos por Zoom. No puede presentarse manejando por Zoom.
But at this time, you're not able to legally drive a car at all in the state of Michigan.
Pero en este momento usted no puede estar manejando legalmente en el estado de Michigan.
I'm going to set a pretrial for June 3rd at 8:30. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, así que voy a fijar su próxima fecha. Va a ser el 3 de junio a las 8:30 de la mañana, señor. Si no tiene algo adicional que decirme, le deseo a usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Okay, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day. Best of luck to you.
Que tenga muy buen día y buena suerte que le deseamos a usted.
Thank you, you too. Ese June 3rd?
Thank you, you too. Did you say June 3rd?
Sí, yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
All right.
Have a blessed day.
You too.
Have a blessed day. Y usted también.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you.
She was here as well, Miss Mathis, but never showed back up.
No, I gave somebody a show cause date, but it should have been on a Wednesday.
I'm fine, how are you? Can you call me a little later and I'll email it to you? I mean, I can hear
Just checking. I don't really work for you, that's all. I probably have, yeah. Yes, I'll email it to you, but I don't really work for you, okay? I like to finish.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Acosta. Mr. Acosta, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to the violation of the marijuana ordinance on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Acosta?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 6th, 2026 at around 8:38 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Warren and Sakati. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Did you have some marijuana on you?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle, sir?
Yes.
Where was that marijuana stored?
It was outside of the dispensary bag.
Where in the motor vehicle was it stored?
It was in my pocket.
All right. Do you understand that the law forces you to, if you want to, you can't have marijuana in the passenger compartment of the motor vehicle where you have the access to it? You have to put it like similar to transporting a gun without a valid concealed pistol permit. You have to put it in the trunk of the vehicle, sir.
Even in a dispensary bag?
Even in a dispensary bag.
Okay.
I'm going to find you guilty as charged to the violation of Marijuana Act, 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. I'll give you until August the 19th to complete those 12 hours. Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir?
Yes.
I'll give Mr. Phillips a call. Complete the 12 hours, come and don't get any other trouble like this. We will dismiss the case on 8/19. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Same to you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.